Guys, I'm being very creative for dinner. I'm batching it tonight, so I'm making me some pizzas. Just get some flat wraps. This is how easy it is to do. Tomato sauce, which I'm actually using pasta sauce, mozzarella cheese. I have an orange pepper, green olives if you like olives, mushrooms, they're brown mushrooms, some salami, and I sprinkled basil on it. And that's all you got to do. Put some that pasta sauce on there, cut up all your vegetables, sprinkle some of the basil on there. And I got some leek here too. So I'm going to throw them in the oven shortly. I'm just going to finish that one up. And I got the oven's going to be at 350. Doesn't take long, so keep an eye on the oven so you don't burn them. And you'll have yourself a super awesome dinner and easy to make. It's just like I say, buy the flat wraps. You don't have to be making dough to make the pizza crust. These make awesome pizza crusts, the flat wraps. All right, and those are whole wheat flat wraps. There we go, there's a blooper, flat wraps. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here. Cheers.